Hey guys, what's up? And today we're going to be doing more MEL chemistry. We're going to do, but will it burn? So we're going to experiment with flames. And yeah, so we're going to unpack everything. Doesn't even have any instructions on this. That's stupid. Okay. Okay, so how do I open this? Okay, so I got this out. Now it says put foil in the middle. So I got some foil right here. Foil. It's a type of metal. So we're going to put that in the middle. Okay, so we got some water to make sure because playing with flames, blah, blah, blah. It says grab this coil thingy and put it right there. So it says stretch it out on. Okay. Okay, so we're back. We got gloves. We're gonna. Oh dang it! I just spilled it. No. Okay, so we're back. We already got full thingy of it. Pour that in there. Put this off to the side. Now what's next? Okay, we need a match. And then we put it on the stick. And we put the stick in there. So where's the match? Do we have a match? Okay, we're back. Got a thingy. We don't have a match, so we're just gonna use this.
What is this?
This is a lighter sticky? I don't know.
Alright, why don't you have your assistant, your other assistant, your adult assistant light that for you?
Okay. Okay, so I forgot that we needed the magnesium stick on the coil, this little thingy. So we're going to start it all over again and add some more solid fuel. More solid fuel. Okay, so we got a big scoop of the solid fuel. Put it on there.
Really white.
Okay. Yeah, it is very white. Okay.
Safety is #1 priority.
So now we're gonna light it.
Stand back. Come.
Alright, you can use that stick to move that flame closer to the magnesium. No, move the bin closer to the magnesium.
Whoa, it's already melted like instantly.
It made magnesium.
I need to put it up now.
No.
Looks like it's like.
Don't worry, it's okay.
It turned off.
So what happened?
So it basically it started climbing up, and then it started burning it. It immediately
Alright, stop
bent
waving
down.
that flaming stick in your hand and give it to mommy.
Oh.
It put it in the water.
Okay, flaming stick.
That was awesome.
And then basically
Is
it
that
just
awesome?
and it just drooped, and then when it started climbing up, it just started exploding into this colorful flame. It basically, this entire magnesium stick is burnt. Okay, so we're gonna pour the what's it called? The solid fuel on there. Now we're gonna light it.
And then we're gonna do
Observer.
And then we're gonna do.
So
one
now
of
it's
those
burning.
three.
We're gonna grab the zinc powder, put it on there.
And it's blue.
Yes, it looks very, very cool. Just basically, this is like spamming
And
it.
it also makes some smoke.
Yeah, it makes lots of smoke. Now we're gonna do copper. Oh no, I spilled that.
Now, copper is green, so it makes it a little green, but it doesn't make any smoke. Can we
Probably because the zinc powder has lots of stuff on it. So, something that's really cool is that they change colors depending on how much ions they have. Different ions and stuff,
But
which is really cool.
But that
And-
would make some smoke and fire.
And different things make different types of fire. So, that's pretty cool. We're going to let it just burn out because it's not gonna do anything for the video. And it doesn't look that cool in real life. So, that's our second experiment.
We had
Now
a
I'm-
lot of fun doing that science experiment. We hope to do it again, new experiments and that same experiment multiple times because it's really, really fun and cool. And you should go check out MEL Chemistry because it's really cool. It's not sponsored, but it's still really cool. And it's basically like a box that you get every month for your subscription, and it's really cool. You can do lots of fun things, and you don't get to play with guitar picks. So bye guys. Catch you around.
Bye.